In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this phone. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select accounts and sync, and click on Google account. As you can see, currently we do have one here, and if you would like to remove this account, tap on more and then select remove account. Confirm that you would like to delete this account with all its data. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. As you can see, it is no longer connected with your Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite. Then whenever you'd like to add Google account, just reach accounts again, pick add account, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then pick Google. Here just enter your phone number or email address, whatever is connected to your Google account, and click on next then. And now just enter the password. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. And read Google Terms of Service, Google Pay Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, click on I agree. Click on accept then. And that's it. You just added Google account to your device. As you can see, it is connected with this Xiaomi. And that will be all. That's how you can add Google account, how you can delete it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.